The 2025 Škoda Octavia is designed with an extensive array of safety features that prioritize the protection of its occupants while enhancing overall driving confidence. As a compact family car, the Octavia combines advanced technology with practical safety measures to ensure a secure driving experience in various conditions. One of the most significant advancements in the 2025 model is the introduction of the Attention and Drowsiness Assist system, which replaces the previous driver alert feature. This innovative system utilizes an advanced algorithm to monitor driver behavior and assess levels of drowsiness or distraction. By analyzing data from multiple vehicle control units, including steering inputs and lane-keeping assistance, the system can detect deviations from normal driving patterns. If it concludes that the driver is fatigued or distracted, visual and audible warnings are triggered in the virtual cockpit, providing 3 levels of alerts: recommendation, warning, and escalation. This proactive approach to driver monitoring enhances safety on long journeys and during daily commutes. The Octavia is equipped with up to 10 airbags strategically placed throughout the cabin to provide comprehensive protection in the event of a collision. These include front airbags for both the driver and passenger, side airbags, curtain airbags for head protection, and a central airbag that deploys between the front occupants to reduce the risk of injury during side impacts. The inclusion of rear side airbags as an option further enhances passenger safety, making the Octavia one of the safest vehicles in its class. Another notable feature is the Intelligent Park Assist, which allows for automated parking maneuvers. This system can handle both parallel and perpendicular parking by controlling not only the steering but also braking and acceleration. The vehicle will stop automatically if it detects an obstacle, significantly reducing the risk of minor accidents during parking. Additionally, the upcoming Remote Park Assist feature will enable drivers to control parking maneuvers remotely via a smartphone app when within proximity to the vehicle. This innovation allows users to select parking maneuvers while standing outside the car, enhancing convenience in tight spaces. The 2025 Škoda Octavia also includes advanced active safety features such as adaptive cruise control, ACC, which maintains a set speed while automatically adjusting to traffic conditions. This feature enhances comfort during long drives and helps prevent collisions by ensuring a safe following distance from vehicles ahead. The Lane Keeping Assist (LKA) system works in conjunction with ACC to help keep the vehicle centered within its lane, providing gentle steering inputs if it detects unintentional lane departures. The traffic sign recognition system utilizes cameras to detect and display relevant road signs on the dashboard, helping drivers stay informed about speed limits and other important regulations. This feature works alongside blind spot monitoring, BSM, and rear cross-traffic alert, RCTA systems that warn drivers of vehicles in their blind spots or approaching from behind when reversing out of parking spaces. In terms of structural integrity, the Octavia has received high marks for crash safety, achieving a 5-star rating in Euro NCAP tests under stringent conditions. The vehicle's design incorporates crumple zones that absorb impact energy effectively during collisions, enhancing occupant protection. The robust chassis construction further contributes to its overall safety profile. The Octavia also features electronic stability control, ESC, which helps maintain control during slippery conditions or emergency maneuvers by applying brakes to individual wheels as needed. Coupled with anti-lock braking system, ABS, and hill hold control, these systems provide enhanced stability and control when driving on inclines or in adverse weather conditions. For families with young children, the Octavia includes ISOFIX anchor points for securing child seats safely in the rear seats. This ensures that child seats are properly secured without compromising safety during travel. Additional safety technologies include Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS, which alerts drivers when tire pressure falls below recommended levels, helping prevent blowouts or handling issues caused by underinflated tires. The Emergency Braking System, EBS, is designed to apply brakes automatically when a potential collision is detected at lower speeds, further reducing the risk of accidents. The interior design of the 2025 Octavia reflects Škoda's commitment to comfort and usability while incorporating advanced technology seamlessly into everyday driving experiences. The cabin is spacious and ergonomically designed, providing ample room for passengers and cargo alike. High-quality materials are used throughout, creating an inviting atmosphere that enhances overall comfort. In summary, the 2025 Škoda Octavia stands out as a well-rounded compact family car that successfully combines advanced safety technologies with practical features tailored specifically for individuals seeking both performance and peace of mind in their vehicle. Its extensive suite of active and passive safety systems ensures comprehensive protection for all occupants while enhancing overall driving confidence. As consumers increasingly seek vehicles that offer both capability and modern conveniences, the Škoda Octavia remains committed to delivering excellence through every mile traveled. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on family adventures, the Octavia promises reliability coupled with cutting-edge technology designed to cater effectively to diverse lifestyles. With its focus on creating an upscale yet functional environment, the Škoda Octavia continues to be an excellent choice for those who value both style and substance behind the wheel.